It's gonna be round bar time.
Don't you have the phone holder?
No, I do not have a phone holder. So if you want to see how I do that, just watch a Speedo healer. It works. It's nice. I should mount it and do it later. You gotta pull off the tail section. I'm also gonna show how to run the little LED lights so I don't get killed by someone that's a fucking idiot. Yeah. Start moving these bolts. Take out the center first. Couple. Yeah, there should be pushes here. There's not. Yeah. Pull them under. I'm gonna show that push clips. I don't know how everyone has so many problems. Probably, yeah. See those two for the light? It's pretty easy.
No more light. We got a tail light for sale. Anybody wants to buy a Gixxer tail
They
light?
perfectly wrap it in foam.
Alright. Put the bolts to that.
No, these are easy. You don't need nothing. Push out, moves. Get these out your way.
Want to leave that?
Alright.
Should it leave it?
No. No. Up. Yeah. Oh, push clips. That's what I was holding.
Come on, Dolly. It's up here earlier.
Well, no, it's a push clip. It goes back in and extends.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, I ain't got no problem.
I see what you mean.
I ain't got no problems.
She's all nice and naked looking.
See how far. Alright, so there's a round bar. Move this shit around. We have to actually start putting it back together though to see.
Yeah, let's push this down. Make this flush.
Cause you know. How's this? Oh, these are just look, a little thing. Timber bar.
Here, just pop these off for now.
It's gonna hit. We gotta trim it down. This has to get trimmed down so there's no cut and nothing. All we do is drill a couple bolts and it works. That's a damn lie.
Well,
Let's see. What we got on here?
yep. Pink.
She bolted on. That's how she is. Had to bolt. Whatever, I guess drill different holes. You can see those are the factory ones. They're hitting the webbing. You can see them there. Yeah. Custom ground some of the nuts to get them to fit. So I don't get how this is such an easy thing to do. It's quite irritating. Alright, I got a little Velcro on that, so you can make this all cleaner. Speedo healer. That was the other video. If you didn't watch it, you should. Hater. And this will all be tucked still though. But you've seen that little mess we're having to. Now it's all clean. Got room for the power commander.
UT.
And everything else. Bars.
Solid PD.
Gonna hot knife it. This thing does not fit right. You guys have to cut plastics.
Hot knife. Two plastic.
We already cut the other side. We know exactly where to cut it, so you're a true dickhead.
Honestly, guys, don't bring this fucking smoke. It's horrible for you.
Yeah.
I am.
Man, now I gotta cut the little side tab off. And then we're good.
Alright, the 905 round bar. They tell you this is fit, no cut, no weld. It's kind of bullshit because here, obviously we had to cut it. And we did an awesome job at that. Of course, that's how we do around this mud. This is non-cut. Look at the gap. You gotta cut it. You gotta do crazy mods to the inside. We already cut it here to clear the flat part. We also had to relocate the bolt. If you come on this side, you'll see this driver's side here. But we had to relocate the bolt, made our own bolt hole, and cut the shit out of this. And then obviously we had to mod all this, hot knife it, whatever. Alright people, here we go.
The plastics are red, they're not pink.
I washer grabbing there.
This side's on, done. To show you a comparison. Like, we're talking perfect fitment. Then, still after hacking that side, you have to trim it for that bar.
We're back. Alright, so what I did what we did to do this, go ahead and get yourself a rest set for me. Grab yourself a marker. Grab it, maybe go a little higher, you're not gonna get it there. Go down about yonder, so to yourself a marking. Since we did the other side, I can, okay. Nap gas, of course, way better on propane. Propane sucks. So, use the pipe off a cheap Harbor Freight jack, a little cheaper. Give yourself an angle like this. You really want to push down. There she goes. You want to push down so you don't have that build-up. But then put a new blade on her so you get it just right. Get a little red hot glove on.
You test that.
I'm going to go from the outside. This is like, you used to paint models when you were a kid, and this is like
Perfect.
more precise.
Perfect.
Let us seal the paint while you're at it. Boom, boom. Okay, look here. Let's give him this at least. Let's give him this order. Okay. This goes in here. This goes on the outside of the blackness. That goes on the inside. That goes on the inside. Follow them around. Boom. This little tab is going to go on the inside of that. Like that. This shit goes under.
We should probably pull this tape off.
This. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, nope.
What's going down there?
No, that looks like it's perfect.
Shit under there.
Because now we're starting to bend the fuck out of that.
That's right, good up there. No, we'll throw a little washer thing on. Make it pretty.
So we're gonna bolt it all up. Show you the final product.
Yeah.
All right, snap her back together. We got a round bar now, folks.
We got fitment to the T.
The only next thing now, I mean, you see how close it is. That's perfect. You're gonna end up running LED strips. Like, this thing is gonna look so nice.
Just she was.
You know, we got a little gap for where that little light went, but yeah, she's about to be nice.
We got LEDs for her. You guys will soon.
I really wish this bike didn't look pink under this light. This don't make no damn sense.
Such balls.
But
Cause it ain't. It's a beauty.
Progress, folks.
Good for you.
Subscribe though.
Subscribe.
Do it now.
Hold on, wait. No, we gotta finish it. Show them. Walk them in.
Show them the what?
Let's show them what we got. Let's show them what we're about.
It's a little too early.
This is a little demo.
Yeah, it's pretty dark in there.
Obviously, that's
Pretty dark in there.
Okay, let's get a light. Let's get a light from. Yeah, light from.
But first thing you guys need to do, step up your kart game.
Alright, well here's the deal, guys. We got a Monte Carlo here, 72. Yeah, that is a Camaro dash. And she runs 6 feet. Obviously, this is a seat on a seat. She's just in here. Like, yeah, the Camaro seat's right underneath. We got new seats for her going in soon. Let's start making videos for you guys. Look at that. Yeah, we got double dens. We got 15s. We got stupid knocks. Show them the back. Show them the back. Show them the corner back here. Give him how the six or the door speaker things are laid out. I don't know, it's 5.5 or something.
Should we be doing this in the daylight? You can't see shit.
But hey, get my idea. Oh, the hood's on it.
For once, custom fiberglass hood though.
Oh yeah, look. So
Not to be sanded and painted down.
It's your normal SS hood. We went ahead and extended her a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's 6-foot hood on this butte. Give a little preview. Oh yeah, there can't be an Ellis one in there. Oh, what it is?
Might be.
6 feet car.
Surely might
Come
be.
again.
Oh, you can't see that though.
The rear end's out of it, but you show them the mod. Go ahead.
Cool little 373s.
Yeah, she knows that. Gears are out
About
of
to be
it.
built.
Gears are out of it. Rear end sitting over there. Pile of turd.
Little pick 'em up truck.
Little pig my truck. Little pile on it. Oh, what? What is this turd about? Oh.
Them are some Dakota digitals. Everything in here works. Work in progress. Interior almost done.
She runs.
A little pick 'em up truck with a little pick 'em up engine.
Yeah.
If only we had some real damn light.